Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
I thought all Christmas me I look money. Right now, I buy my shoes and a bag of thing already. I buy my shoes them. Warm to my bum buckle and rifle. Me nail in my pants and the brick up.
I'm the Dana.
I told Dana forget her fuck, she get fucked last night. When rifle for clean, Wi-Fi yard. Now do them stuff there. Yeah, you bring that to her, we're gonna get her stabbing our bed. So watch it out, we're gonna spend the brick on road. She can't stop me from go buy a girl. They give me a cleaner. She can't stop that. Because I tell her that brawling. Say, hey girl, me a go buy a girl tonight. We suck off my hood tonight. Enough boy can't do that. Girl, kill them. Some boy a girl clown. Me no matter but
Viewers and subscribers, when you hear me talk a while ago, the things that I talk about is some slang terminology in Jamaican language. You get what I mean? So some of the things we talk about don't mean exactly what you hear, is it? When you hear say rifle is not about like the gun itself. You talk about is thing that is around that is at the pubic area. You know what I mean? And when you talk about rifle to get clean, you talk about oral sex. You see me? So basically, these are some of the relationship issues in Jamaica. You see me? And probably more so, these are some of the things will cause people to cheat because they are not satisfied. You see? Now, him seems drunk. You see me? You can see say him out partying and him have fun and him just express him true feeling. You see me? I said to you. You see it? So a man or a woman might look at this as bad. You see me? Some might look at it as good. But I look at it that at least him honest. You see me I say? So he must say that Wi-Fi yard now do it. So he must go out there and get theme one done by spending him money and him say, you hear me say him honest, he make sure say him telling woman what go on. You see? Yeah. So the question right here, so come not stay long, you know. The question right here so is that do you agree with what him do? You see me I say? Or do you find it like you don't agree none at all with what him do? You see me I say? Yeah. So I'm glad that's I can explain it to a lot of my fans because a whole heap of people over the world watch the Dancehall thing. You know, some people is, you know, some of the people who watch this don't come from Jamaica none at all. So I have to explain to them. You see? Alright, well anyways, relationship issues. You see me I say, with what him just said, don't agree or don't agree. You see me I say, Wi-Fi yard not doing it, so him go pay feet a road. You see me I say, I make you know what go on. You see me I say, what you that do too. You see? Anyways, I don't know the thing go already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?